How to look up your reservation on Motel 6 using confirmation number and last name. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Motel 6 on your device. Here, click on Find Your Reservation at the top right. Then, add your last name. After you have added your last name in here, simply type in the confirmation number that was sent to you by email or anything. After you have typed in the confirmation number, click on Find Reservation at the bottom. After you click on Find Reservation at the bottom, you'll find your reservation, check-in time, check-out time, everything. This is how to look up for your reservation on Motel 6 using confirmation number and last name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.